Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO A3 and let me share with you how to change video resolution on this device. So let's start with opening the camera app, and currently we are in the standard photo mode, so let's switch to the video one. Just tap on the video, and if you can see the red color inside the shutter button, it means that for sure you're on the video mode. Now we can take a look at this option bar at the top, and right in the middle we've got the resolution, so let's tap on it. As you can see, we've got two different options, so 1080p, which is currently applied, and 720p, so all we can do is to switch between them. So let me tap on 720p, it will be immediately applied. We can also change frames per second, which are connected with the resolution, so 30 frames per second and 60 frames per second. So let me choose maybe this one. And as you can see, the icon changed according to the options which we've just chosen, and it means that from now on your device will use the chosen resolution whilst recording a video. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.